How to draw super easy and simple but so colorful sunset time village scenery step by step with me. Let's learn. I have used to draw the easy scenery with a blackish black marker. But I always recommend you to draw the beautiful scenery with 2B or HB pencil. If you think you have to erase on some point, try this beautiful scenery at home and comment me below. Our drawing is almost complete. Color please. Color the hill with Prussian blue, green as well as yellow green. Draw the super shiny river with Prussian blue, copper blue as well as sky blue. If you want to watch more like this, then click on the I button and you might be subscribed my channel also. Draw the pretty flowers with red, orange, yellow, orange. The other with vermilion, orange and yellow. The flowers are actually Krishnachura. You can see the precious flower in the spring season in my country. Then color the bush of the tree with vindictive brown as well as yellow ochre. Then color the super orangey sunset sky with vermilion, orange, yellow orange as well as yellow. Eventually mix up with white. If you are new learner in my creation world, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. Apply vindictive brown in the bottom part of the boat and yellow ochre as well as yellow orange in the upper part of the cute boat. Then color the cute tiny house with purple and lavender, the roof with pink and light pink. Then outline all the objects with a black marker. Yay! Our drawing is complete. If you like the tutorial, then hit the like button. And if you're new, just subscribe. Time to bounce. See you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Ta-da!